So amid the global trade disruptions triggered by the US tariffs, India and the European Union are all set to sign a landmark free trade agreement hailed as the mother of all deals by the EU chief Ursula von der Leyen. The historic pact is expected to boost bilateral trade, investment and supply chain resilience. It will also benefit the biggest market in the world, creating a combined market of over 2 billion people. Under the agreement, several Indian goods, including textiles, chemicals, gems and jewelry, footwear, electrical machinery, leather, are all likely to get duty-free access into the European Union. It's a market of 600 million people. Sectors like pharmaceuticals, IT and manufacturing could also see a major export boost. But the partnership goes beyond just trade. India and the EU are all set to sign a security and defense partnership focusing on maritime security, cyber defense, counterterrorism and intelligence sharing, and it will have a particular focus on the Indo-Pacific. This historic free trade agreement is not just about economics, it also signals a new era of strategic cooperation, positioning India as a trusted partner of the European Union. And it comes at a time of increasing trade protectionism, Donald Trump's tariffs. So what does this really mean? Remember, India and the EU currently are the largest trading bloc as far as India is concerned. India-EU trade in the year 24-25 was $136 billion. That's much more than India-US trade. This is India's largest goods trading partner. Europe, the bloc of 27 countries, the biggest market for India. In fact, 17% of India's total exports are to the European Union. It's comparable to India's exports to America, which are around 17-18%. For Europe, 9% of India's total imports are from the European Union. So combined, $135 billion, which is the biggest trading relationship that India has with any country or bloc of countries, which is why this is being touted as the mother of all trade deals. So why is this important, and what sort of signal does this send, particularly to the United States when Trump is amping up on tariffs? Reason one: it diversifies India's supply chains. It reduces the massive reliance that India has over US as well as China, US for its market and China for its supply chain. So this is going to be something that is critical. It'll send out a huge signal. The second big reason is it's a huge bloc. It's a bloc of 27 countries. It's the largest bloc of nations. India will get access to all 27 countries with this one deal, unlike, of course, bilateral FTAs, which India has already signed with countries like the UK, New Zealand, etc. The third big reason, it's a symbolic boost coming as it does at a time when India's ties with America are fraught. Delhi is emerging as a strategic choice for big markets, big trading partners like Europe in this instance. It will also lead to major job creation. In India itself, it is expected to create anywhere between 8 to 10 million jobs. In Europe, it is expected to create anywhere between 1 to 2 million jobs. The fifth reason, this is India's 9th FTA in the last 4 years. There's been a definitive acceleration of India trying to tie up free trade agreements with UK, with New Zealand, with the UAE. All of this has happened in the post-COVID era, and this reflects very aggressive trade diplomacy. And sixth reason, it also gives access to the EU markets. Remember, it's a 600 million strong market. It is twice the size of the American market. Therefore, it will be a big boost to Indian exports, investment and tech inflows as well. And reason seven, it's a gateway to deeper cooperation in technology, in climate and in defense.